A customer complains that on his Sprinter the turbocharger is no longer working properly. The test drive confirms this. One possible reason: in a previous repair on the engine, the mechanic pushed the air filter box to the side, as shown here, in order to have space for the actual repair. And this is the cause of the defect in the turbocharger, because twisting damages the seal. Here in the area of the seal, it's possible that it gets damaged by the twisting movement and breaks off. Then, when driving, the damaged seal is then suctioned into the turbocharger and damages the blades. So in future, not like this, please. For an engine repair, always correctly remove the air filter box. Then there'll be no problems with the turbocharger.